Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know the server OS, admin account, and the printer's network IP and protocol. Next, validate network reachability. Ping the printer and check ports 9100 for RAW, 631 for IP, or 139/445 for SMB. Once done, install any vendor drivers or CUPS packages on the server so the system can speak to the device. Make sure to use administrative privilege. Without it, you won't be able to create system-wide queues or install kernel-level print filters. You now create the server-side print queue. If using CUPS, run lpadmin with the device URI, socket//IP 9100 IP//printer/IP or SMB//domain/printer and assign the proper PPD. If on Windows Server, use Print Management to add a TCP/IP port or import via SMB and select the supplied driver. Once created, set defaults like duplex and paper size and restrict who can print. After that, restart the print service so filters load. You finish by printing a test page from the server and watching the job log. Logs reveal timeouts, filter failures, or authentication prompts. If the print fails, check the print daemon status, confirm firewall rules, and verify the driver matches the printer model. Mismatched PPDs cause format errors. Once done, restart the print service, try switching protocol from socket to IPP or SMB, and recreate the queue if necessary. A single troubleshooting tip. Check the server's ARP and DNS entries to rule out stale IP mappings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.